Hazrat Sayyid bin Abu Sayyid Muqbari has reported from Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, a man entered the mosque while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in a corner of the mosque. He performed the prayer and then saluted him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said to him, Wa alaikas salam, go and perform prayer, for you have not performed the prayer. He went back, performed the prayer, then returned and greeted. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon again said, Wa alaikas salam, go back and perform the prayer, for you have not performed the prayer. On second or third time, he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, teach me how to perform the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, when you get up to perform prayer, perform the ablution perfectly. Then pronounce takbeer facing the Qibla. Thereafter, recite of the Quran as much as easy for you. Then perform ruku bowing until you feel ease in bowing. Thereafter, raise your head until you stand erect. Later perform the prostration until you feel ease in prostration. Afterwards, lift your head until you sit complacently. Then do so during whole of your prayer. Abu Usama said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the end said, until you stand straight. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6251.